Did you know that wearing glasses could get you killed in Cambodia? Between 1975 and 1979, Pol Pot's regime murdered 2 million people, a quarter of the entire population. The Khmer Rouge didn't just target enemies, they hunted anyone who seemed smart. Wore glasses? You were an intellectual, dead. Spoke a foreign language? Dead. Had soft hands from office work? Dead. Victims were marched to killing fields where children beat them to death with farming tools. Bullets were too expensive. The regime turned kids into executioners. They forced children to kill their own parents to prove loyalty. At Choeung at Killing Field, 8,985 skulls are stacked in a memorial tower, just one location. Mass graves are still being found across Cambodia. Every monsoon season, the rain washes bone fragments and clothing up from the soil. In 4 years, Pol Pot created one of history's most efficient genocides, all because he wanted to return Cambodia to an ancient farming society. The price? 2 million lives.